Why proud? First, to stand in front of people wearing this with honor and to speak words which chosen carefully. Secondly, to start in Nemotum in welcoming all of you, especially to our guests tonight to witness our memorable day. And third, I'm proud to share all my achievements after 6 years of studying, which I heartedly dedicated to my loved ones, to my guardians, especially to my papa and mama, who's been working so hard for me and to my ate. With all this, I am so blessed. You too, my fellow graduates, you are so blessed. So let's all be thankful to God for all the graces He gave to us up to this moment. Let's thank Him for the family, friends, community, and school that He provided to us. That made us partially complete
Ay.
and, and almost ready for the next level of our school life. Ngayon nagpanapon, itamo'y pinakamahulagang tao ing pamagtipon na iti. At syempre, alita mo miras ing makaniting pamitagon nung ali ing maragol at malugod ng sao ing kakatamong pengari. Kaya adwan ko sana kay kayo na pasalamatan talang mitong lugod. Palakpakan tala rin pengari tama. Mag-umpisa pa mo, ing kakatamong pamaglakpe, ing mas masalese, at mitmo sayang pye.
Padala rin
At
takbe.
kaya din nagkanapong iti, kayang tabi
Bay,
na
ako
rin
tatagkilan.
kaluburan tamo, kamang-anak, maulagang bisita, malubod ang pengari, at mapanyaw at talaturo. Agnanagnan tamo, saup tamong matna, pilasan, at panindigan, ang tema tamo, the graduate a partner towards transformational society and answered societal age. Alangaliwa nung naitamo mismo, ing maging kaganapan ng pamagbayong iti, pamagbayong ing mas masalese at modernong paralan. It is time to do our part. Let's perform what our mentors impart to us on how to be a good citizen, on how to be an ideal and productive person, and on how to be a better Christian. Let's make our parents, relatives, and teachers proud of us. Aja! Agdanagnan ka na mo, sabihin kaya ulit. 1, 2, 3. Aja! So ladies and gentlemen, you are all welcome to witness our graduation rites. Thank you in advance, my dear teachers, my
Graduate.
parents, and guests for tonight for being
Here.
our transformational. Again, welcome to everyone and thank you.